Steve Reeves had the most famous legs in cinema history. Not because he trained harder than everyone else. He didn't, actually. He trained less than most of the men trying to look like him. What he did differently was recover better. And the thing sitting at the center of his recovery routine wasn't a protein powder or a pharmaceutical. It was a 30-cent brown packet in a yellow box that every American grandmother had in her kitchen drawer. One packet, dissolved in orange juice, before or after movement, every single day. While the rest of the fitness world was obsessing over muscle, Reeves was quietly feeding his tendons, his cartilage, his joints, the connective tissue scaffolding that lets muscle actually work without breaking down. That's why his legs held up. Not just in his prime. After 50. The research on why this works is more specific than most people expect, and it's all linked in the description. Drop a comment. Did you ever see those brown sachets in your parents' or grandparents' kitchen growing up? Because this generation knew something we forgot. Let's get into it. The story of this forgotten compound begins with a tiny brown packet sat in nearly every American kitchen drawer. Women stirred the contents into orange juice for their nails. Athletes dissolved it in warm water before training. Men like Steve Reeves used it relentlessly. Reeves built legs that became the physical standard for an entire era of cinema. But his real secret was not his gym routine. He relied on a foundational recovery tool that cost pennies and took 30 seconds to prepare. Knox unflavored gelatin. It is nothing more than hydrolyzed collagen derived from animal connective tissue. No additives. No flavoring. No processing beyond drying. One packet delivers approximately 6 grams of glycine-rich protein in its purest form. That simplicity is exactly why it worked. He consumed this daily. He knew his body needed raw structural support. The Hollywood studios demanded physical perfection, but Reeves demanded longevity. The men who used it were doing what made structural sense. They fed the body the raw material that tendons and joint tissue are actually made of. What made this specific product a household name was aggressive marketing through the mid-20th century. Advertising copywriters positioned unflavored gelatin as a strength product. The glycine and proline-giving gelatin, its unique properties, are the identical amino acids required for collagen synthesis. They are the exact amino acids missing from the muscle-focused protein sources that eventually dominated the modern diet. Why did we abandon the very building blocks our ligaments crave? The shift was disastrous for senior health. This dietary shift perfectly explains the rapid breakdown of senior mobility. People started equating protein strictly with muscle growth. That completely misses the point. Reeves was not using these packets to get bigger. He used them to stay structurally intact. He needed to keep his joints and connective tissue functional through decades of physical punishment. Look at the cartilage cushioning every major joint in your body. It has no direct blood supply. None. It receives nutrients through a slow process called imbibition. Your cartilage essentially absorbs fluid from the surrounding synovial membrane during movement. Cartilage repair is excruciatingly slow. It depends entirely on dietary precursors floating in that fluid. Gelatin provides glycine and proline in the exact ratios found in human cartilage matrix. It is the most perfectly matched dietary source for joint repair on Earth. A randomized controlled trial from the Penn State University Department of Nutrition proved this definitively. Researchers tracked athletes consuming vitamin C-enriched gelatin before exercise. The blood markers for collagen synthesis doubled compared to the placebo group. A 100% increase. The scientists concluded that brief collagen peptide availability in the blood around physical activity directly stimulated connective tissue repair. Doctors will look you in the eye and say joint degradation is just wear and tear. That is a lie. If your cartilage relies on imbibition to soak up nutrients like a sponge, what happens when the fluid surrounding it is completely devoid of building materials? The sponge soaks up empty water. The tissue starves. The joint space narrows. The bones inch closer together. The Penn State trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition exposed this beautifully. When they measured the amino terminal propeptide of type 1 collagen in the blood, the numbers spiked massively only in the gelatin group. The placebo group showed baseline degradation. The gelatin group showed active structural regeneration. They proved you can force the body to rebuild its own shock absorbers. You just have to flood the system with the right peptides at the right time. For a senior whose cartilage is thinning, this is everything. Joint pain is the absolute primary barrier to staying active. This is not a cosmetic benefit. It is the literal difference between walking freely and being trapped in a recliner. Are you willing to let your joints starve when the fix is this simple? Beyond the joints themselves, this exact same protein dictates your nightly restoration. There is a secondary effect hiding inside this plain powder. Beyond your knees and hips, the glycine in gelatin triggers a cascade that mainstream nutrition completely ignores. It radically improves sleep quality. This improvement directly feeds into muscle recovery and hormonal function for older adults. The connection between gelatin and sleep explains why consistent users recovered from physical effort impossibly fast. Glycine acts as a powerful inhibitory neurotransmitter in your central nervous system. It actively reduces your core body temperature. It pushes your brain into slow wave sleep. That is the critical deep sleep stage where your body releases growth hormone. It is the exact stage where muscle tissue is repaired. Why do doctors ignore this? Because you cannot patent an amino acid. Pharmaceutical companies make billions off synthetic sleep aids that leave seniors groggy and unstable. Those drugs suppress the very deep sleep phases you desperately need to rebuild muscle. Glycine does the exact opposite. You wake up with actual physical restoration having taken place. The Neuropsychiatric Research Institute in Japan ran a clinical trial analyzing this exact mechanism. They published their findings in Sleep and Biological Rhythms. Participants consumed just 3 grams of glycine before bed. That is roughly the amount found in half a standard packet. The results were staggering. The participants fell asleep significantly faster. They spent drastically more time in slow-wave sleep. They reported vastly lower daytime fatigue the following morning compared to the placebo group. Think about your own sleep. Is it fragmented? Do you wake up feeling like you barely rested? Your overnight growth hormone output is already a fraction of what it was at 30. This glycine-mediated improvement in sleep architecture changes the equation entirely. It acts as a direct upstream input into muscle preservation. It is not just a side benefit. It is a biological necessity for anyone trying to maintain physical strength in their 60s and 70s. He just knew his body felt revitalized. He listened to the physical results. The medical establishment hands out sedative prescriptions that destroy your sleep architecture. Meanwhile, a simple natural profile quietly does the job perfectly. This nightly restoration process is what ultimately protects your most vulnerable foundation. Your legs. Reeves was interviewed late in his life about his incredible physical longevity. People constantly asked how he maintained functional leg strength well into his later decades. He always pointed to recovery habits over training routines. Your legs are the most connective tissue-dependent region of your body. The quadriceps and hamstrings and calves all attach to the knee joint through thick tendons. These tissues must absorb enormous compressive forces. They handle violent tensile stress with every single step you take. What happens when those tendons become stiff? They become inflamed. They structurally degrade. This happens progressively after 50 because your natural collagen turnover slows to a crawl. A ruptured patellar tendon or a torn Achilles can instantly end your independence. You end up in a surgical boot. You lose muscle mass in your legs within weeks. Why risk that catastrophic failure when you can actively fortify the tendons every single morning? Your body wants to repair the micro damage incurred from daily walking. But it cannot build a brick wall without bricks. Gelatin provides the exact molecular bricks your legs demand to stay robust. When that scaffolding weakens, the muscle strength existing above it becomes utterly useless. You cannot safely express the strength of the muscle if the tendon anchoring it is fraying. The limiting factor for senior mobility is almost never the muscle belly itself. It is the connective tissue anchoring it. Gelatin directly targets this weak link. It supplies the massive dose of proline required for tendon collagen cross-linking. This is the exact structural process determining tendon stiffness and elasticity. It dictates your resistance to micro-tears. Researchers at the Australian Institute of Sport proved this in a brilliant study published in Nutrients. They tracked older adults suffering from chronic lower limb tendinopathy. They administered collagen peptide supplementation equivalent to dissolved gelatin over a 12-week intervention. The markers of tendon collagen synthesis skyrocketed. The subjective tendon pain scores plummeted. The participants regained their mobility. The researchers found the effect was most pronounced when the subjects consumed the gelatin within 1 hour of light physical activity. This perfectly matches the Penn State data. The collagen synthesis window is primed by movement. Reeves took his gelatin right around his training sessions. His timing was biochemically perfect, even if he lacked the modern laboratory data to explain why. Have you noticed your knees aching just from walking down the driveway? That is your connective tissue begging for proline. The specific box you buy to get these results does not actually matter. We must clear up a massive misconception before discussing the exact preparation methods. The specific brand on the box is completely irrelevant. The yellow box became a cultural landmark strictly through clever distribution and perfect timing. The brand possesses no magical proprietary properties whatsoever. The active component inside is simply hydrolyzed collagen. Any unflavored and unsweetened gelatin from a reputable source delivers the exact same profile. You get the identical glycine and proline ratios per gram. You can buy beef gelatin. You can buy porcine gelatin. You can purchase massive tubs of grass-fed gelatin powders from boutique health food stores. They are all functionally identical substances. They operate via the exact same biological mechanism. Do not fall for overpriced supplements wrapped in fancy labels. Supplement companies take this exact same raw material, put it in a glossy black tub, slap a fitness model on the front, and charge you $50 for it. You are paying for marketing. You are paying for their advertising budget. Pure unflavored gelatin is all your body recognizes. The old packets just happen to remain the most widely available option. They sit on the bottom shelf of almost every grocery store in America. They cost almost nothing. That accessibility makes them incredibly easy to recommend. But you must remember the packet is just a vehicle. It is not a secret formula. The magic lies in the amino acids themselves. Delivering those amino acids into your bloodstream requires a very specific approach. Everything comes down to practical application and timing. The most effective evidence-based protocol for older adults requires a specific dose. You need 10 to 15 grams daily. That equals roughly 1 to 2 standard packets. But you cannot just swallow it with plain water and expect miracles. You must consume it with a small amount of vitamin C. This requirement is absolutely not optional. Collagen synthesis relies on vitamin C as a direct enzymatic cofactor. Without it, the structural proteins supplied by the gelatin cannot be properly hydroxylated. The Penn State trial used enriched gelatin precisely for this reason. The doubling effect they witnessed depended entirely on both components arriving together. How do you actually implement this? You dissolve one packet into a small glass of orange juice. The juice naturally provides around 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Drink this mixture 30 to 60 minutes before a morning walk. That specific combination perfectly replicates the clinical evidence. Your physical movement primes the joints to absorb the circulating peptides. The vitamin C acts as the catalyst. The gelatin provides the raw building blocks. Alternatively, you can stir the powder into warm bone broth. You can add it to a daily fruit smoothie. You can even set it into a homemade dessert using pure fruit juice instead of those toxic artificial flavorings. For anyone preferring a savory route, dissolve a packet into a bowl of warm soup at lunch. It adds the full therapeutic dose completely invisibly. There is only one strict rule to follow. Never mix this into boiling hot coffee or scalding tea. Sustained temperatures near boiling will permanently denature the fragile protein structure before it even reaches your stomach. The heat destroys the exact bonds your body needs. Warm liquids are perfectly fine. Boiling liquids ruin the entire process. Start this habit tomorrow morning. Watch how your knees feel in 3 weeks.